In this section, we're going to talk about overall appearance and what your clothing says about you. Here's a quote that I like that relates to our last section on communication. Once you realize that people are judging you on your appearance before they know your talents, you'll quickly learn to be more critical of your appearance. So first impressions mean everything. And on that topic, first impressions are something that can't be taken back. Whether you like it or not, we're judged first on our appearance before anything else. This is why dressing appropriately and being groomed can lead to greater successes and an increase in confidence. When you feel good about how you look, you exude confidence, and that's a really attractive quality to others, not only in your personal life, but also in your professional life. Women who dress appropriately and show self-confidence make more money, are promoted faster, and are taken more seriously, whereas women who dress too provocatively or are frumpy-looking are usually taken less seriously and therefore lag in their professional life. Not because they're less qualified or don't do a great job, but it's people's overall perception of them based on how they look that stunts their growth. Here's another quote that I like. We have the most control over our clothing and our grooming, so we have control over how other people perceive us and the quality of our life. With that in mind, we have the ability to change how people perceive us just by enhancing our appearance. Throughout this course, you're going to learn some tips and tricks on how to dress appropriately and how to choose clothing that is right for your body and your personality type. It's important to remember that image consulting is not a one-size-fits-all approach. There are many factors to take into consideration, which is why two women who look similar and work in similar work environments will not dress the same. It will depend on their body shape as well as their skin tone and their individual personality. An office environment does not have to mean black suit and white shirt for everyone.